Hello guys, welcome back. So today's video is a recruitment opportunity from Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for trainee post. We are going to see the important details of this job opportunity. Link I will be posting in the description. Also, I'll be posting our Instagram handle. A lot of job opportunities I'll be posting there. So please stay tuned with the Instagram handle and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are looking for job opportunities, if you are looking for career guidance or electronics based content. So Cognizant is hiring for trainee. They are hiring for the location Coimbatore, India. Job category is technology and engineering. It is a work from office job. So this is a trainee post. So they are obviously not asking or looking for people with much experience. So they have mentioned that join our team as a trainee where you will be having an opportunity to develop your skills in a supportive environment. Responsibilities include assisting the preparation and analysis of data using Microsoft Excel. So this job is basically an Excel based job. Okay, Microsoft Excel based job. Collaborate with team members to ensure accurate and timely reporting of data, provide support in creating and maintaining spreadsheets, contribute to the development of data-driven insights, participate in team meetings, ensure data integrity, support the team in identifying trends, engage in continuous learning to improve technical skills, communicate effectively with team members, utilize MS Excel to automate repetitive tasks, assist in the documentation process. So this is a data entry documentation related job. Provide input on potential improvements. Provide input on potential improvements. Work closely with supervisors. Qualification they have mentioned, demonstrate proficiency in Microsoft Excel. So this is a Excel based job I told you in the beginning itself. Exhibit strong analytical skills, strong willingness to learn, possess excellent communication skill, display a proactive approach to problem solving and process improvement. Certification required, they have mentioned is you should be having a Microsoft Excel certification of associate. Then that is all. Any graduate can apply here. Anybody can apply. No need to have any experience. If you are having the certification, if you are having knowledge, basically if you are having knowledge in Excel, you can apply. And also all the job you will be doing in Microsoft Excel only. So this is a very interesting job. It is a non-coding job from Cognizant. So if you are interested, definitely do apply with the link in the description. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.